Tiger DX LAN. G copy 612 west coast of Canada. 612 on the west coast of Canada, waving.
Here we go, here we go. Here we go, what happened again? What's wrong? My SWR too low?
How about a DX LAN? How about a DX LAN 612 on the west coast of Canada, waving.
They got different models. They're great.
You copy this 612 on the west coast of Canada. 612 on the west coast of Canada, waving.
About that 612, we got you down here in upstate New York, Hudson Valley. We got you 612 if you got a copy. 612. 612. You got us up here in Hudson Valley. Yeah, you must be talking about the same one everybody else has. The collapse.
Yeah, New York, you're sounding good out here, brother. Hey, New York, we got that New York station in there sounding good, man. You're blowing smoke out here on the west coast. Bring it back, New York, 612, west coast of Canada, waving. It's pretty good. He's got an Omni. All right, New York, we got a lot of noise in there. Anyway, we do appreciate the comeback. Gotta like the evening DX here. Have a good one out there in the Big Apple. 612 on the west coast of Canada, reading the mail.
Yeah, roger that. Now, you said something about